In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more food in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to gather food on the world map. So send your troops or workers to gather from farm fields or food deposits on the map. Pick high level deposits for greater yields and efficiency. Use heroes with gathering bonuses to speed up your collection time, and always keep all marches active. Idle marches mean wasted productions. So just go around and have a look on the world map where your food deposits are. I've actually cleared out the majority around my base, so I need to come to the other side of the map and go ahead and get these food deposits here. But in order to do that, I need to clear the occupying monsters before I can actually reach that, so you got to keep that in mind too. But I found another cool way to do this. So if we go ahead and click on the food deposit, it will say replenish resources, and it will show you how much you've got. So I actually own one of these, so I can obtain 10 food when used. So if I go ahead and click on use, that's going to give me 10,000 more food. And yeah, so I've got a level 4 selection resource chest, so I can obtain 150,000 when used. So if I go ahead and click on use, it's going to give me an extra 150k. Now, another thing what we can do is complete missions and daily quests. So many chapter missions, daily goals, and even tribe events offer food bundles as rewards. Focus on building, upgrading, and training troops to complete food rewarding tasks. Seasonal limited time events often give huge resource packs, including food.